If you are doing well today, we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of threads, we go to settings. You click here on settings. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of threads, and you will go here to this page. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode, and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.